Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. And you can see on the screen hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 2.5, which is the very poor. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets and amenities. Location of the hotel is excellent and guests will enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 12 p.m. Check-out time is 11 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. To booking or more details, check the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.